Welcome back, guys. Today we're going for a test drive at a 1967 F100. This one here has a 352 under the hood. This truck's very clean inside and out. We're going to be taking it down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws. That way you know what you're buying before you get here. We do this with every ride on the lot, so be sure to check out maplemotors.com to see all of our inventory. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And I want to thank y'all that have been watching and sharing all the videos very much. Y'all are the ones that get us out there. We do have shipping, we do have financing available at maplemotors.com, and I also got close to 100 detailed pictures of every ride on the lot. If you like the music, head on over to Southgate Production. That's me and my band, and we'll continue to put our tunes on this channel. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. We're gonna look around the interior before I take off. Everything is nice and clean. Headliner looks pretty good. There's a little hole right here in the middle. She starts up easy. Well, ignition's a little sticky there. Had to jiggle her. But it does start up nice and easy. There is cutouts on here. And they just quit working all at once. But they're under there. It's stuck on loud mode right now. But it does have some mufflers. The dash looks pretty good. We got the CD player in the office. It does work. We'll try the wipers. They do work. Everything's about frozen this morning. There's the mileage on the dash. I cannot stand behind that. Gas gauge is working. Temp gauge is coming up. Seems to be working too. Go ahead and place your bets. You think the horn works? We'll try this blower motor. It blows hard. What do we got over here? Compressor in the floor. Extra parts. We'll leave that with the truck. Okay. It's about time to hit the road here, guys. Let's take off. All right, guys, getting ready to take off down the road. Did you place your bets on the horn? Do you think this horn works? We're going to try it out before we leave. As I'm driving down the road, any flaws that I see, I will let you know. That's why I do this video. Also, it's very cold outside. It's like 20s here for Tennessee, and that is cold. Let's try this horn. Trying my best, but it does not work. This old truck here does not have power steering. Speedometer's coming up on the dash. And we're going straight as an arrow right now. We're not pulling to the left or right going down the road. Steering, a little bit of slack. Turns there, and it turns there. Kick down's not hooked up on this one. Still pulling good. Let's try the brakes. Feel like drum brakes on this one. They're working good. You just gotta stand on them to get them to stop. That's how it was back then. Suspension wise, a little bit bumpy. If I was to rate it, I'd probably give it a 6 or 7 out of 10. Probably a 6. Just a little bit bumpy. Not bad at all though. Turn signals are popping up on the dash. Let's try both sides. Yep, both sides working good. So we're coming through the parking lot here. I'm gonna get some outside shots of this truck. I'm gonna drive over and get some undercarriage shots with a light. light everything up so you know what you're getting. And if you want to see what I use to make these videos, look below in the description. I have Amazon links to everything. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and shoot over to this next parking lot and get this video started. Hopefully I'll enjoy it. Let's get these shots. Getting ready to take off. Engine temperature's good. Truck's running great. We can try them cutouts one more time. I think A may open and we'll try B. There's definitely something wrong with the cutouts. They were working when we got it. But we just buy and sell them, so we don't get into fixing stuff. We tell you what's wrong. That way you know what you're getting here. I was hoping to hold it down, cruise on up through here. There's ready to get out in front of me. Overall, I think this is a good running and driving truck. The steering doesn't feel bad. It doesn't have power steering, so a little bit of slack helps. Definitely got a good sound to it. Coming up on that road with a speed bump in it, you can listen for rattles and shakes. The suspension's good on this one. It's about halfway up this road here. Speed bump's right here. Yeah, I'd have to give it a definite 6 out of 10. It rides like a truck, to put it that way. I wonder why. Okay. Trying to drive on down here to Brian's Motorsports. I got to pick up some stuff from him while we're out on this test drive. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And of course, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. And thanks again for watching. I got 2 more test drives to get to today. See y'all later. And guys, right before we head back to the lot, if you need any more information on this truck, visit maplemotors.com. You can get financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories are available. And we update our website with new inventory every single Monday. So hit that subscribe button and share this video. It helps us out greatly. Right now, I got to run into Brian's Motorsports. He's always got cool stuff going on down here. He modifies new model trucks, old school stuff, Jeeps. There's a Scout sitting here. I mean, it's always something going on down here. Look at the interior on this thing. It is super nice, inside and out. Somebody really spent some money on that one. Woo! Of course, you got the modified Jeep sitting here. The Freedom Jeep. And then as you walk into his shop, you can get wheels, tires, parts, and accessories, especially if you buy a car from us up here at Maple Motors. You can ride right down to Brian's Motorsports, get rims, and check out all their inventory. All right, guys. And of course, it's easy. Jump on over to their Instagram, their Facebook, check out some of the stuff that they've done, and go on over to their website. You can see all the stuff you can get done. Interiors, stereo systems, suspension, lifts. You can lower it, wheels, tires. Buy a car from us, send it right down here. And while you're waiting, you could get some nutritional drinks in your haircut at the barbershop. All right, I'm gonna go grab another car and we're gonna do another test drive. See y'all later.